Namaste, my name is Ashish. I am a yoga practitioner. So now I am doing a very nice pranayama, that is, everybody can do this pranayama, and this is very nice pranayama. You can relax your mind, body and soul all. Basically, because after this pranayama you can do any pranayama or any kind of breathing exercise. This will sharpen your mind, this will sharpen your breath as well as your body also. So the name of the pranayama is pranayama 1, equal breathing. So what? The meaning of equal breathing is what? You are equally breathe, and definitely you are taking a deep breath so that your all organ of your body are using those breaths. Before starting this pranayama 1, what you have to do, you have to just check your breathing. Any kind of blockage you have left or right, just check your breathing and check your breathing, and now you can do your pranayama. So the prerequisite was you need a mat, a well ventilated room, you need no any ornaments with you, and yeah, definitely in morning if you do pranayama, this is the best time you can do in the empty stomach. But yeah, if you want to do this pranayama, you can do any time before 4 and 5 minutes, before 3-4 hours before just of having any meal, you can do this pranayama. And the contraindication limitation is not much, because this pranayama everybody can do. If somebody is cardiac patient or hypertension, then definitely they do very smoothly, very casually, but yeah, they can do it very well. Pranayama 4 and pranayama 1 you can do very easily, and this is the very best pranayama you can do. So I am doing the pranayama. What I am doing, just inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 1, inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 1, inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 1. See what the Yoga Sutra says about pranayama. Tasmin sati swas praswas yo gati vicheda pranayama. So just feel the gap between the breath. It will be the best thing you can do for yourself. So definitely don't think that I am just inhaling, exhaling. No, just concentrate your breathing. So I am inhaling. So inhale, concentrate. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 3, 2, 1. So you can feel the gap. Feel little bit of shunyak, little bit of kumbhak. Everything you just concentrate and feel your breath and concentrate. Basically, you can concentrate, you can meditate. You just close your mind and just inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. You can do this pranayama. This is very good. This is very good pranayama for your heart, for your lungs. It improves your lungs capacity. It improves any kind of sinus problem, any kind of breathing problem you have, you can remove from this pranayama. And this is very good for any kind of hormonal disease you have, thyroid or any kind of pancreatic disease you have. So you can remove, because the energy, the oxygen you are taking, it is going to all over your organs. So this is the very best pranayama you can do. There are lots of benefits. Just do this pranayama, and hopefully you will do, and you like my sharing whatever I just gave you. Namaste.